cars, we stop for cigars. Loving the views, we roll and we park. Nothing left that you drink from the bottle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. So today I'm doing a 3-in-1 video. I'm going to be making a dress, doing my hair and makeup. So if you want to see the end results of the dress and everything, please keep watching. So right here, this is the dress pattern, and now I'm going ahead to cut out the side where the floral fabric is going to be. So after that, I went ahead and placed down the dress pattern into the fabric, and next I went ahead and measured out the full length of the dress. After that, I'm just going ahead right here to pin down the dress pattern. So for the next step, I'm just gonna go ahead and trace around the dress pattern. So right here, you can see the dress pattern is not that long, so I'm just going to extend it to the length of the full dress, just cutting straight down. So for the other side of the fabric, I'm not cutting it straight down, I'm cutting it in an angle way to create the mermaid style on the bottom. So this is the front part of the dress. So I went ahead and cut out the back side of the dress off camera. So next I'm going to go ahead and cut out the side of the dress. So doing the same thing, I'm gonna lay down the dress, the front side of the dress, and lay down the other side of the pattern and pin it. And then I think, did I pin it down? No, I didn't pin it down, but I did pin down the front side of the dress, so that way that will stay in place while I cut out the side of the dress. So for the side of the dress, I'm cutting it in fold. I didn't cut it into two. I cut it in fold. So this will be connecting with the front side and the back side. So just fold it over and then trace out the side. So right now I'm going ahead to pin down the dress, and after pinning it down, I'm going to go ahead and do a straight stitch on this side of the dress. So for the next step right here, I'm going to be connecting the back side of the dress with the other side of the dress, which is the both side. So to do that, I'm going to pin that down and take it to the sewing machine and do a straight stitch. So this is the dress all connected. So the side that is open, that's for the zipper. I'm going to explain that later. So right here for the straps, I'm going ahead to measure out the length of the strap and then write it down, so that way I don't forget the length. So for the zipper, I'm going ahead and open it up before pinning it down into the dress. So this opening it up and pinning it down to the dress, that will make it easier to sew, to make the work way easier. So once I'm done pinning it down, and also if your zipper is longer than the length you want your zipper to be, you want to make sure to mark where you want the zipper to end, so that way you don't sew past where you're supposed to stop. So to sew down the zipper, I'm starting by doing a couple of straight stitches. Next, I'm going to hit the reverse button to do a back stitch. So that will help to keep the thread in place and to lock it in place. So after that, next I'm just going ahead to sew down the zipper. Also making sure to remove the pin as I sew along. So once you're sewed down to where you want your zipper to stop, you want to repeat the same thing and do the reverse. Hit the reverse button to do the back. liner. So to start, I'm starting with a lime crime eyeshadow palette. I'm using the shade from that palette to
Live in the cars, we stop for cigars. Loving the views, we roll and we park. Nothing left that you drink from the bottle. It's just you and I, you and I now. When we broke up, we left it out there. Now I've got the pieces and I want